All right, guys, it's Austin over here at Net Audio. So today we had a really big project. This is a repeat customer. So we did basically a whole stereo system in here. So we have a brand new Sony radio, then we have Pioneer speakers that customer supplied, and then we reinstalled one of our custom subwoofer boxes under the seat with a WaveTech 500 watt amp. So that's a Sony 4000 with Apple CarPlay, and it is wireless. And that's one thing that the customer did want. And we are using the factory camera as well. Down here we have our bass knob for the WaveTech. We have our custom fiberglass RAM box with some Alpine bass lines. And you'd think, oh, Alpine bass line. These things get down. They really do. That's why we sold it to them, because they work. And then back here in the left-hand corner, we have our WaveTech on one of our driver's side amp racks. So it's nice and hidden and out of the way. And they have full functionality of the whole back seat. And then we also did Pioneer speakers in the door that he brought us. Oh, I forgot. We did a remote start. So we added in an Avital one-way 3-button. So we have lock, unlock, and remote start. Being that this is a diesel, it will wait to turn the glow plugs on and then it'll fire off. I believe he uses this out as a service tech. So I have it set for a longer runtime than what a traditional gas car would be. But that's all stuff that we can do, and we can take care of you as well. So come see us at Net Audio.